Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by opening Google Scholar on your phone and signing in so results sync across devices. Once done, switch to the mobile site or app and confirm language and account settings. This saves searches and citations. Now tap the search box and enter a concise query. Use quotes for exact phrases and author to target an author. This first step gets you live results fast, which matters because mobile screens need precise, focused queries to avoid scrolling overload. Next, refine results to find the most relevant papers quickly. You should apply filters like since year and sort by date or relevance. Make sure to toggle patents or citations if needed. When you open an entry, preview the snippet and look for PDF or library access links to get full text. You can tap Cited By and related articles to follow influential work. This helps you build a chain of sources and avoid missing cornerstone studies while working on a small. Finish by saving and exporting what matters. Tap the star to save an article and use the citation button to copy MLA, APA, or BibTX formats. Once done, share useful links to your email or note apps so you can access them on a laptop later. Make sure saved items sync with your account. If results won't load, clear your browser cache, re-sign in, and confirm app permissions or network connectivity. This simple troubleshooting often fixes missing PDFs or broken links quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.